So let's begin our today's lesson. The chapter we were discussing is the parts of computer. It's a chapter number 3 for class 1. So let's begin. Everybody open page number 23. Everybody open page number 23 in their book. In their computer book, everybody open page number 23. Those students who join the class right now, they may open the book and open the page number 23 in the computer book. I am waiting for you so that everyone will open the book, the page number 23. Because some students are joining the class right now. Everybody open the page number 23. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, okay. So on the page number 23, the first line is the page number 23, the first line is this is a dash. What is this? This is a dash. The word is written there. This is a system unit. This is a system unit. What is a system unit? This is. I add a picture for you. This is a system unit. Okay. What do we call it? This is a dash. What do we call it? This is what? This is dash. What do we call it? You guys can unmute yourself now. This is a system unit. It's a system unit. Okay. Can
It's a system unit.
yes, very good. This is a system unit. Okay. We normally sometimes call good. We normally sometimes call it a CPU. We normally sometimes call it a CPU, but this is a system unit. Okay. What is this?
Okay.
What is this?
System unit.
System unit.
This
Very
is
good.
a system.
That's good. That's very good. This is a system unit. Okay. So now let's move to the
It's
next
called
one.
CPU.
It's
It
a
is
CPU.
called
We sometimes
CPU.
call it a CPU, but the real or the technical name of this thing is
CPU.
system unit. Okay, we call it a CPU, but this is a system unit. I will show you what is CPU and what is system unit. I will show you in the picture in the later slides. In today's class, I will show you the CPU and the system unit in a one picture. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Let me clear the screen. So the first line of the page number 23 is saying this is a system unit. So see, why do we call it a system unit? This picture is not in your book. I add this picture just to show you there are so many things in it. Okay, there are so many things in the system unit. See, there are so many things in it. There is a fan, there are some wires, there are so many things inside the system unit. So system unit is not a one thing. There are so many things inside the CPU or the system unit. Why do we call it a system unit? Because it contains many things. CPU means only just one thing, but it contains different things. That's why we call it a system unit. Okay, so this system unit also contains the CPU. Where is the CPU? I will show you in the pictures. So the system unit contains the CPU. The CPU stay inside the system unit. The CPU stays inside a system unit. A CPU is inside this system unit. What is the size of this CPU inside the system unit? It look like this. If you see this chip, okay, it's very small in size. This chip is come in one hand only. Okay, And this CPU is very much heavy on the left side. The CPU or the system unit is very much heavy. So system unit and CPU, we sometimes call system unit a CPU, but basically both of them are different. System unit and CPU, both of them are different. System unit contains many things like CPU, like hard disk, like RAM, but CPU just contains the CPU's thing. Okay, so CPU is small in size. I will show you how much small it is and where it is in the system unit. Everybody understand this thing? Everybody understand this thing? What is
Yes, sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. Those students who joined the class right now, they may open the page number 23 from the computer book. We are talking about the system unit. Okay, so what is the spelling of a system unit? What is the spelling of system unit?
SYSTEMUNIT. System
Very
unit.
good, very good.
Yes.
Anybody else?
Why?
SYSTEMUNIT. System unit.
Very good, Abdullah and Hamza. Very good. Anybody else?
SYST.
Muhammad. Why? S
SYST.
Y S
Okay,
MUNIT.
Y
okay, okay. Gamal. Gamal and
System.
Hamza Al Sayed. Very good. Okay,
Miss SYSTEM system.
okay. Let me ask. Let me ask. I got 4 or 5 students who said the right spelling. Very good. Okay, Hamza said this. Abdullah Saad said this. Gamal said this. Who else was there? Okay, let me ask to everyone. Okay, Abdul Malik Hassan. Can you tell me the spelling, Abdul Malik Hassan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell me.
System unit. Spell system.
Spelling is S Y S
SYSTEM system. Unit.
unit.
UNIT units.
Very good. Okay, let's see who else is there. Okay, Anas Ahmad. Anas, can you tell us the spelling of system unit? Let's see.
SYSTEMUNIT.
Very good. That's system unit. Okay. So we are saying that a system unit contains the CPU. The system unit contains the CPU. It means that the CPU is inside the system unit. The CPU is inside the system unit. The CPU is very much small. It's just a chip. The CPU is just a chip. It's a small chip which is inside the system unit. Okay, how much small it is, let me show you. If you see if you see the picture, if you see the picture, the the square box, let me make it with the help of pencil. Let me take my pencil there. This one, the chip you are see on your screen, this chip is a CPU. This chip is a CPU. This chip is placed at this place. Okay, this chip is placed at this place. So this is the size of CPU. See how much small it is. So this CPU is inside the system unit. This CPU is inside the system unit. Let me show you one more picture of CPU. See how much small it is. See, there is a picture of a CPU. Where is the CPU? This one. This small chip is a CPU. See, the system unit and the CPU. We call system unit sometimes a CPU, but CPU and system unit are two different things. It's okay if you say system unit a CPU, okay, because we normally call it a CPU, but the CPU is very small in size and it is inside the system unit. Okay, where we can connect it or attach it? Okay, we can connect it at this place. See, there is a space or a place for connecting the CPU. Okay, so in this way the CPU looks like. In this way the CPU looks like. In this way the CPU looks like. Okay, so the size of the CPU is very small. The system unit is big and the CPU is small. If system unit is big and the CPU is small. Okay, let me ask you a question. My question is, CPU is bigger than system unit. Is it true or false? I am saying the CPU is bigger than system unit. Is it true or false? Let me ask.
False.
Okay, let me ask. Yes, Ahmad Mohammed.
False.
Okay, okay. Ibrahim Mohammed,
Thank you, sir.
you welcome. Ibrahim Mohammed, yes, Ibrahim.
Yes.
CPU is bigger than the system unit. Is it true or false?
False.
False. Okay. Adam Umar, can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the size of system CPU is bigger than the system unit? Is it true or false?
False.
Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Good. You're welcome. Abdul Rauf. Abdul Rauf. Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? CPU
System
or
unit.
system unit? Very good. System unit. Okay. So let's see who else is there. Let me ask. Hamza Al Hussaini. Can you tell me which one is smaller? Hamza Al Hussaini, can you tell me which one is smaller? CPU or system unit?
CPU is smaller.
Very good. Very nice. You guys are brilliant. Very good. Very well done, Hamza.
Yumnia.
Okay. So
Sir.
the smaller one, you are right. You are correct. Hamza, very good. So the smaller one is the CPU. The bigger one is the system unit. And if I ask you a question in the class that the CPU is bigger than the system unit, it is false. Okay. If I say CPU is smaller than system unit, then it's true because system unit is big. There are so many things in the system unit. Okay. So system CPU is inside the system unit. CPU is inside the system unit. Okay. So everybody understand this thing? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Okay. Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. So which one is bigger? The system unit is bigger. Which one is smaller? The CPU is smaller. If I say CPU is bigger than system unit, it's false. If I say CPU is smaller than system unit, it's true. So, very good. Let's move to the next one. Let's see what we have else. So, the CPU is the computer's brain. Okay. So, the CPU is the computer's brain. Where is our brain? In the head, in the hand, in the knee, or in the feet? Okay, can anyone tell where is our head? Where is our head? Let me ask to anyone. Ali Abdullah, where is our brain? In the head, in the hand, in the feet, or in the knee? Where is our brain? Ali Abdullah, yes, please. You can unmute yourself now.
Yes.
Where is our brain? In the head or in the feet? Head. Good.
Yes.
No, in the head we have our brain. Our brain. The human brain is in the head. Okay, that's good. Ali Abdullah. Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, can you tell me where is our brain? In the head or in the feet?
In,
Abdul
in
Rahman?
the head.
Very good, in the head. Okay. For example, what our brain do? For example, if I ask you a question, what is your name? Your brain, your brain store or save your name, and you will say your name in a second. Why? Because your brain store your name. If I ask you what is your father name, you will say it in 1 second. Why you will say it in fast? Because your brain store everything. Okay. So in the same way, the CPU is the computer's brain. The everything is stored in the computer. The CPU can think from its brain. The CPU is the brain of the computer. So computer can think from its CPU. Okay, whatever they have to do, they done that thing with the help of CPU. Whatever we say to computer, the CPU will do the work for us. Okay, it tells the computer what to do. Okay, like our brain tells us what to do when we feel hungry. Our brain will say, tell to someone that you need food. Okay, or you will say, I need food or I need this thing to eat. Okay, when you feel cold, you wear warm clothes. Why? Who told you to wear warm clothes? Your brain is saying things. Your brain is deciding. When you are feeling thirsty, what do? You will sleep or you will drink water? You will drink water. Who decides this to drink water? Your brain. Your brain is deciding things. So your brain is telling you what to do. In the same way, CPU tells the computer what to do. Okay? CPU, the small chip, tells the computer what to do. Okay. So the small chip, the name of that chip is a CPU. It tells computer what to do. So CPU is the brain of system unit or the brain of computer. So, what is the brain of computer? Let me ask. What is okay? What is the brain of computer? Ilhaj, you are not raising hand. Ilhaj, are you there? Okay. Amir Alfala. Amir Alfalai. Yes. Can you tell me what is the brain of computer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
CPU.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So, Umar Mustafa, you are not raising hand. Can you tell me what is the brain of computer? Umar Mustafa, are you there? Umar, Umar, you can unmute yourself now. Okay. Ammar, Ammar,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me what is the brain of computer? Amara, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the brain of computer? It's a C.
CPU.
Very good. It's a CPU. Very good. So Abdul Rahman also sent the answer in the chat. Very good, Abdul Rahman. Okay, let's see. So in the start, I ask a question. The question is CPU is bigger than system unit. Is it true or false? The answer is false because CPU is smaller. Okay. So my question right now is what is the brain of computer? The brain of computer is CPU. And my question now is computer can work without CPU. Is it true or false? Remember, CPU is the brain of computer. Is computer can work without CPU? Is it true or false? Yes, Hamza. Computer can work without CPU. Is it true or false?
False.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's see. Let's see who else we have. Hassan Asad. Yes. Can you tell me?
Yes,
Can computer work?
sir.
Can computer work without CPU?
No.
No, computer cannot work without the brain. CPU is the brain of computer. So computer cannot work without CPU or CPU cannot work individually. Computer cannot work without CPU. Okay. So the computer cannot work without CPU. Computer cannot work without brain. So it's false. Okay. Can anyone, any person thinks anything without brain? No. In the same way, computer cannot work without CPU. Okay. So everybody understand this thing? Say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's great.
Yes.
That's great. Okay. So now my another question is CPU tells the computer. CPU tells the computer. CPU tells what computer? Okay. CPU tells what to computer? Okay. CPU tells the computer to do what? Okay. So can anyone give me the answer? CPU tells the computer dash. CPU tells the computer dash. Okay. So there is one student who joined the class with the name of Zoom user. Kindly you can rename your name with the student name so that I can call you. So Zoom user, you can unmute yourself now and can you give me the answer? CPU tells the computer dash. Okay. Yes, Anas Mohammed.
Yes.
Okay. CPU tells the computer dash. Yes, what is the answer? CPU tells the computer dash. Are you there, Anas? Abdullah, can you tell me? CPU tells the computer dash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me the blank? Can you tell me the answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, CPU tells the computer dash. Can you tell me the answer? The answer is on the screen. Adam, can you tell me the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me please.
CPU it tells the computer what to do.
Exactly. Very good. Okay, very good. Very nice. And Abdul Rahman also gave the answer in the chat. Very good. That's great. So, Adam Umar and Abdul Rahman give the right answer. CPU tells the computer. It tells computer what? It tells the computer what to do. Like our brain. Our brain tell us what to do or what to eat or what to think. So our brain decides what to do in the same way CPU decides what to do. Okay. So everybody understand this thing? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
Yes.
Okay. So that's nice. That's nice. On the page number 23, there is a question. On the page number 23, there is a question. What is the question is saying? Question is saying, complete this drawing of the system unit. Draw power button and color the picture. So you have to do two things. First, you have to draw the power button on the system unit and then you have to color the picture. Okay. So there is third thing. What you have to do? You have to send me the picture of this picture on the mail in the class light. First, you have to draw the power button. Where is the picture? Let me show you. The picture is on the screen. First, you have to draw the power button and then you have to draw, color the picture. Okay, let me show you. Where is the power button? Let me show you one picture. Okay. If you see, if you see this picture, this one, where is the power button in this picture? Let me show you. There is a power button. Here it is. See, here is a power button. Okay. Let me show you one more picture. This one. See, where is the power button? The power button is there. Okay. So you have to draw the power button and then you have to color the picture. Okay. So this is easy or difficult? The coloring is easy or difficult? Yes, please. The coloring is easy. Say yes or no.
Easy.
Easy. Okay. So very good. The color
Easy.
is easy. So everybody has to send me the
I
picture.
color it.
It's
I color
easy.
it.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
Easy.
That's great. That's so nice of you. Okay. So on the same page, we have one question. On this question, what we have, it's a word whiz. It's a word whiz. So what does word whiz is saying? So there are some words given over there. So how many word letters are there? It's one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have to write a word which has 7 letter. Okay. So they are saying dash another name for computer screen. The word coming here is a name of computer screen. Is a name of computer screen. So can anyone, okay, let me ask, but wait for a second. Here you just have to tell me the name of the device, the part of the computer. What is the name of the part of the computer which is another name for a computer screen? Which is another name for a computer screen? Gamal, can you tell me what is the answer for this?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer, Gamal?
Monitor.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Who else we have? Okay, let me see. Let me see. Ilhaj. Ilhaj, you were not saying anything.
Yes,
Can you tell
sir.
me what comes here? What is another name for computer screen?
Monitor.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. So, who is going to tell me the spelling of monitor? Okay, Anas. Can you tell me the spelling of monitor?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, please.
Monitor.
Very good. That's great. That's great. So it's Monitor. So there is another word. The second one. The second one is saying that dash, the part that controls your movements and thought. What do we call it? It's in our head. This thing is in our head. Okay, HEAD. It's in our head. This thing is in our head. What do we call it? Let me ask. Ibrahim, can you tell me what do we call it? The thing which is in our head?
Brain.
Okay. Okay, very good. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Can you tell me what is the answer for this? What do we have in our head?
Brain.
Ah, that's great. That's great. Okay, let's see who's going to give spelling or tell us a spelling of a brain. Let me see who else is there. Okay. Hassan Asad, can you tell me the spelling of brain? Hassan, you can unmute yourself now.
Yes.
Tell me the spelling of brain, please.
And not do.
Okay, okay, okay. It's okay. Say with me. B
B
R
R
A
A
I
I
N.
N.
So it's a brain. Good.
Uh,
Okay, so it's a brain. So along with it, we are come to the end of the lesson. Okay. So there is one small assignment available in the class light. Everybody open the assignment from the class light. It's available there and it's very easy. Everybody open the class light and open the assignment and do the assignment. It will take only 1 or 2 minutes. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Have a nice day, everyone.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
Bye,
sir.
everyone.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
everyone. Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
sir.